Thank you for joining us to kickstart this enriching 2-week program on an early Monday morning.
Alright, good morning everyone, it's Sean here.
Okay, hi guys, welcome back to the session.
Okay, good morning everyone. We are in day 5.
Okay, so good morning everyone.
Good morning everyone.
And welcome everyone.
Yes. สวัสดีค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ
Chào các bạn, tôi tên là Nacha.
Chào cùng và các bạn. Tuấn Đà là Matilda.
Saya suka makan burgers.
Access to learn a new language time.
Adika, I'm Julika.
Namasaya, Rachel.
How to introduce yourself in Vietnamese? Chào các bạn.
Hello, selamat pagi, nama saya Sean.
How to say hello in different languages. In Thai.
Sawadi.
Salamat, sorry. Nama saya Peach.
Holistic view from all angles.
Risk control about this business.
Heard a lot of entrepreneurs share their experience.
The essence of entrepreneurship, that what it takes to be an entrepreneur.
Entrepreneurship ecosystem.
To be brave, be the first mover.
It's not necessary for me to have a tech background to be a truly successful entrepreneur.
All of the different ways an entrepreneur can succeed in Singapore and Southeast Asia.
How to come up with the tech startup idea and how to develop and protect your idea.